Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Snapchat not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, check your internet connection. Ensure that your iPhone has a stable internet connection either through Wi-Fi or cellular data for connectivity and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is turn off airplane mode. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on the screen airplane mode toggle on and 10 to 20 seconds back toggle off. And problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is Snapchat app open and close and again reopen it. Open the Snapchat app and close and again open and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on the screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is update your Snapchat app. Firstly, tap on App Store. Search Snapchat app. Open the Snapchat app. Check the app update. If updates are available, update your app and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is turn off iPhone content and privacy restriction. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on screen time. Tap on content and privacy restrictions. Privacy restrictions toggle off and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact with support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix Snapchat not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.